Well, the snow has started all over my flowers that have been coming up. We're supposed to get 4 to 7 inches. It started earlier than expected, already covering the ground. My bee balm is already covered up. The tulips are standing in the snow. Lucy won't be getting any catnip today. Even my clematis that had started climbing on the rabbit fencing is covered in snow. Hopefully they survive. Tomorrow's supposed to get up to around 50, so hopefully it'll melt off. But here we go. It's pretty, but I hate to see it ruining the flowers. I love the spruce trees in the snow when the snow clings to the branches. The leaves were just starting to come out on the trees. Don't know if you can see the magnolia tree was starting to bloom. See all the blooms on the magnolia. I hope they survive. It's so pretty when it goes into full bloom. The blooms are already covered with snowy ice. It's a very slushy, heavy snow. Not so worried about the daylilies. They're pretty hardy. Plane flying over. Even the pretty white tulips have snow, icy snow clinging to them. So that's the garden for today. Might come out later. I have some personal readings I have to do later, but might come out later and show you the progress as we get more snow. Hope you guys are having a lovely day.